Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Gold. In today's video, I want to show you a very big bearish pattern that Bitcoin Gold has formed on the weekly time frame, and we will also take a look at the very big harmonic bullish reversal move that Bitcoin Gold has formed on the same weekly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to share my recent analysis that I shared with my members at the Patreon, and that was the formation of another harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move on the 4-hourly time frame chart that Bitcoin Gold has completed. Few hours ago, I shared this pattern with my members, and you can see that the price line entered the buying zone. And by the way, this chart was with the Bitcoin pair, and you can see it was moving at 715. And now I'm just going to play the chart, and the price line started a very powerful reversal from here and rallied up to 849 on this 4-hourly time frame chart. That was approximately or even more than 18% rally it has done. Now I would like to show you the bigger pattern that has been formed on the weekly time frame, and I shared this pattern with my members at the Patreon in the month of December, when the price line completed the final leg of a very big harmonic Gartley move on this weekly time frame. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line is still moving right now at the very end of the buying zone. It goes to $29.14, $29.14. Right now we are moving at $31.7. And now we are at the end of this buying zone, at the very end of this buying zone. Therefore, it can be a very low risk and high reward trading plan. But I would suggest, in my opinion, we can wait for this breakout from this pattern. We can see that such pattern that was, by the way, not the pattern, that was a symmetrical triangle, very big symmetrical triangle, and the price line broke it out here in the month of January 2021. And after retesting, we had a very big rally. Same as like that this time. It did not form the symmetrical triangle. This time it has formed the pattern, and you can see that it is testing the resistance more than the support. Therefore, there is a very high probability that the price line may break out the resistance, and you can see that the movement of the price line is very squeezed. The pattern is very squeezed here, so at any time it can break out or break down this pattern. This is the bullish bias pattern, and we are already testing the resistance more than the support. That is another signal that we can break out this resistance of this pattern. Now if we switch to the daily time frame chart on the same and watch the same pattern, then here price line has also found a support, an uptrend line support. And on the daily time frame, we have this symmetrical triangle formation, and you can see that is also very squeezed. Therefore, within next few days, we can expect a big breakout. Now, in case of breakout, you can also follow the targets of this big Gartley, that is from $62.10 and goes to $82.45. And if we take a look at the target for this pattern, that can be the top of this pattern, approximately here at $160. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.